Hi, this is Sophia. She is the product line manager of a manufacturing company that specializes in automotive components. She's responsible for overseeing the development and production of a range of products that are designed in her company. Sophia is constantly thinking about new ways to adapt to new technology trends and improve productivity in the production line. But Sophia has a problem. Her company lack of some resources that don't allow her to go a step forward. Sophia is very updated with the latest news about manufacturing, and she follows some manufacturing communities to stay informed about what is happening in the industry. She saw on a LinkedIn post some information about an early adopter program that one of her peers reposted. She reads that this early adopter program offers her the chance to test a new technology for free. But what is it, an early adopter program? An early adopter program is a very easy online form where Sophia has the possibility to apply for testing new innovative technologies for free. It's an opportunity to meet with experts and access to new solutions that could improve the production process of her company. Sophia decides to give a try to this new opportunity. She read all the solutions she might test thanks to the early adopter program. She made a choice and fills her application in just 1 hour. After a couple of months, she receives an email from the early adopter program managers, where she's notified that she has been selected as one of the early adopter program beneficiaries. The technology experts start aligning and working collaboratively with Sophia and her team to implement it on their processes. A few months after testing the innovative technologies, the experts improved the production line and created a technology feasibility plan to implement it in production. So, if you want to be like Sophia and access to free consultancy, process development and training, testing the latest and innovative solutions in the manufacturing sector, media exposure, or networking opportunities, join the smart manufacturing community and discover all the early adopter program open now. Thanks for watching and see you around.